my channel. I'm Froggy Plays, and today I'm gonna teach you guys how to make a space shooter monster. Is it space monster shooter? Whatever you want to call it. So your game will look like this. I add songs, but if you don't want to, just don't add songs. So here goes. So you will shoot the monsters and kill the monsters.
Hey.
Yeah, so that's how it will work. So now you go to Sprite and choose Sprite, and then you pick Sprite that is called Spaceship. Then you drag when flag is clicked, set size to 30%, and then go to X -19 and Y -149. Sorry, I'm a little bit sick. And then set X speed. You need to make a variable called X speed. Then set X speed to 0. And then drag it forever. And then if right arrow is pressed, then set X speed to 5. Next, if left arrow is pressed, then set X speed to -5. And then in the forever, change X by X speed. After change X by X speed, set X speed to X. Set X speed to, you need to drag this one, and then drag the X speed over here, and then type 0.9. Okay, then when this is later. Okay, this will be later. Now we will make this bullet. So first you're gonna go to choose sprite, then paint. So you want to zoom in until you're very zoom big. Is this big enough? Maybe it's too big. Sorry for waiting, guys. Just wait. Okay, so here. So you make like this. In the middle there's a square. Then this is the bullet. So yeah, let's get into the code. So when green flag click, drag when green flag click. Set size to 100% and then hide. After that, drag a forever and then drag an if space key is pressed, then wait 0.2 seconds. Create clone of myself. When I start as clone, show. Go to spaceship. Repeat until touching edge. Change Y by 10. After that, delete the clone. Okay, so this is what you want to do in the bullet. Okay, so now let's go to the monster. So first, when green flag is clicked, set score to 0. Set size to 300. Forever, wait 1 second, create clone of myself. When I start as clone, go to X and then pick random, it's over here, -200 to 200. And then Y, this one, Y, 180. Repeat until Y position over here. Repeat Y position smaller than -180. Change Y by 2. After that, delete this clone. And then, when I start as clone, forever, if touching bullet, change score by 1 and then delete this clone. So what you want to do first is, so first you're going to have one monster and then you'll just hide it in the corner. Wait, no. And just hide it in the corner. That's what I did. Just make it look like a awkward planet, like that. See, now it looks like Mars or a sun. Then, now, you make the background. So, when the green flag is show, when I receive game over hide. So it will be like this if I'm mistaken. Okay, you die. Oh, it doesn't work. See, it will be like that. Let me check on something. Why broadcast? Wait. Yeah, broadcast game over. Stop all. Touching sprite 2, yeah. Okay, so this is what you want to do, but sometimes it doesn't work. I don't know why. So the stage, if you want to make a song, copy as mine, and then when I receive game over, switch to backdrop 1. Okay, so now this one is already done. This one is already done. Oh, yeah, and you want to make the background as space, but you can make any planet you want. So I make Earth, Moon, and the Sun. And this one I just pretended to be Mars. Okay, so now you go back to the bullet. Wait, no, the spaceship, and then when the green flag is clicked, forever. If touching sprite 2, then broadcast game over and then stop all. So after that, this is all you'll get. So I want you guys to double check. So I am gonna click all the sprites so you can check. You guys can check. So this is the background. This is the monster. This is the first one. And this is the second one. This is the third one. And go to the bullet. This is the first one that you want to make. And then this one. And go to the spaceship. This is what you want to make. And then this one. And then go to stage. This is the first one. This is the first one. And then this is the second one. So you can pick any song as you want, or record any song, or upload a song that you want. Or if you don't want any songs, it's okay. So thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.